plan?
Affirmative.
Great.
I'm taking this pitiful deserter to Mother Superior. Okay, sister.
Emergency! Emergency! Activate Plan B!
This
Activate
way.
Plan B!
That was your best ever plan?
You are so critical!
You're a terrible escaper!
Escaper is not a word! God, not again!
Get back down here!
For the last 3 months, I have been studying chickens. I know how they eat. I know how they walk. I know how they lay an egg. There is nothing about a chicken that I do not know. Ta-da! I call them chicken wings.
Chickens don't fly.
But they have wings. They must fly. You fly, don't you? Fly! Uh-oh.